Hello everyone, my name is Suresh, and this too are my project partner, Bharat and Dev, and we are fourth year MSc IT student of Keras School of Business Management. Here we introduce you our AI project, which name is Sign Language Detection. Imagine being able to communicate using hand signs and a computer can understand and tell you which alphabet you just signed. We used Python, OpenCV, and Tkinter to make this happen. Let's dive in and see it in action. It all starts with the data. We collected data for each alphabet by capturing hand gestures using hand landmarks. So, you can see, this is our data collection program. Let's run this code and see how we're collecting data. You can see the window pop up showing my hand into camera and doing sign language gesture and pressing key on keyboard can save the images of sign gesture. Also can see in terminal how many images you collected. Now see our data set is ready. Now using this data set, we trained the model in Keras. Using CNN algorithm after this process, the model is ready to run. So this is our final application. Let's run this program and see what we have actually created. All right, let's wrap up our sign language detection project. I hope you enjoyed the demo and got a glimpse of what's happening behind the scenes. But guess what? You can try it too. The code is available on GitHub. The link is down below in the description. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. See you next time and happy coding.